I just got this free $15 no deposit bonus without KYC, and I want you to know that this is a brand new no deposit bonus. So in this video, I will not be wasting your time. I will just walk you guys through the step-by-step process on how you can get this bonus for yourself, and also how you can be able to withdraw by talking about the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus. But before I proceed, please take a few seconds of your time to hit that subscribe button and also like the video. And don't forget, if you were able to get yours, come back to this video and drop a comment saying you have been able to get yours, so that people can know that it is real and they can also go and get theirs as well. So if you have done all of that, let's proceed to how you can get this particular bonus. After creating an account with them, then you can proceed to logging into the account. Alright, so as you can see right here, I just logged into my own account right here, and as you can see, this is a brand new account. I have no account with them and all that. Alright, now as you can see right here, I have 0 MT5 accounts and 0 active positions. So just click on new account right here, click on live trading account, and then you select every details you want to select right here and agree right here. Then click on create live trading account. Alright, as you can see right here, these are the credentials. These are the credentials right here, and I can log into my MT5. I just have to copy my password and ID. So after creating the account, all you have to do is to click on this menu button shown right here, and let's go down to bonuses. And after getting here, as you can see, the available bonuses is 1. Alright, and this is it right here. Just scroll down and then click on the claim bonus, and then you select the account you created just now. After selecting the account, then you click on confirm claim. Alright, as you can see, bonus claimed successfully. Now the next thing you want to do right now is to head over to your MT5 so that you can start trading and log into your MT5. So this is the server name right here to your MT5. Alright, so this is the server name. You just have to copy it so that you can be able to log in. Alright, just copy it and head over to your MT5. So this is it right here. You just have to input your details right here and then proceed to logging in. So this is me after logging in. As you can see right here, this is my bonus showing right here, and I can start trading gold on this particular account. Ensure you trade gold only. Don't forget, if you breach the terms and conditions, you will not be able to withdraw from the bonus. Alright, as you can see, I have been able to get mine. It is a live account and I can start trading with it already. So you can go ahead and get yours as well so that you can start trading. And if you are wondering of how you can get the link to get to the platform, there check the description or the pinned comment section. You'll find the link that will direct you to my Telegram channel there. And then my Telegram channel is where you find the link to get to the platform. And also concerning the terms and condition, they have a transparent terms and condition, as you can see shown on the screen. You have to trade 3 standard lots to be able to withdraw $15, right? And as you can see, these are just some other details of the terms and conditions, like the maximum withdrawal is $15, the maximum lot per trade is 0.01, and the minimum hold time is 1 minute per trade. All right? And also the bonus is valid for 5 days from the day you claim it, and other rules and terms and conditions. I'll also be posting these terms and conditions on my Telegram channel so that you guys can be able to access it properly and know more about it. And also, you can only trade gold on this particular bonus. You can only trade gold. So ensure you go through the terms and conditions properly so that you will not be kicked out of this particular bonus. So this will be all about this particular video, how you can get the $15 bonus, the terms and conditions to be able to withdraw, and everything you need to know. And you also know that you don't need to verify your KYC before you can be able to get this bonus, and you don't need to verify before you can be able to withdraw as well. Right, I've shown you everything. Now what I want from you right now is to ensure you like the video, drop a comment if you have been able to get yours as well, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.